Hi Bluey fans, today we're going to show you how to make Bluey and Bingo Play-Doh faces. For Bluey, these are the Play-Doh colors I've used. There's 6 of them. Alright, and this is the cookie cutter I'm using. So we're going to go ahead and start with the base, and that's the dark blue. I'm going to roll it and smush it out. There we go. Okay, now we're using the cookie cutter. Wow, that looks like Bluey's face. Alright, let's put that to the side and work on our second color. That's going to be light blue. This one actually has a little bit of glitter in it. Alright, let's add this to Bluey's face. Here we go. And these are just layered on top of each other, and then they'll eventually look like Bluey. Now we're using white. I have 2 different types of white. I'm going to use this Play-Doh one. And the white, can you guess what the white is for? That's right, it's for Bluey's eyes. Alright, let's get her eyes shaped out. What? That's half an eye. Don't worry, her nose will block it. One eye. Whoop, let's get the second eye. So cute. It looks like Bluey. Alright, we have another kind of light blue. This one's a little bit different than the blue that we had just used. Flatten it out, and then you'll take your stencil. Got to use the bigger one here because yellow will go on top. There we go. Kind of looks like a Christmas stocking. Fit it in there, right around for her mouth. That's that little light blue line she has around her mouth. Oop. Gotta scoot this up a little bit more. Alright, I think that's better. And then next we're going to do the yellow. This is a light yellow from Play-Doh. Flatten it out there. Alright, ready to go. Let's cut it out. Okay, I'm going to redo the little blue I had just did. I thought it looked a little bit too thick, so I want it to be a little bit thicker. And we'll just cut that out again. It really does look like a Christmas stocking. Alright, put the light blue down first. And then the yellow. Wow, it's really starting to look like Bluey. Look at her little smile. So cute. Okay, now we need more yellow for her ears. These are a bit smaller. There we go. I came get this to scrape them up off the table so they don't mess up too much. One ear. That looks pretty good. And let's work on the second ear. Alright. Then we need the light blue again. Can you guess what we need the light blue for? Her eyebrows. Yep. There's one. And then there's going to be the second one. Let's get it pretty thin. Whoop, there we go. Almost done. We need her nose and her eyes. So we're going to use the black. nose, eye, and eye. Okay, let's put her nose on. Oh wow, cutie pie. And then I'll put her eyes on. One. And then the little one. Oh wow, this is gonna be kind of hard to get out. Oh, let's push it out. There we go. Oop, that kind of looks a little odd. Do you like that? Do you think it looks normal? I think it's too small. Let's try again. All right, I'm taking the other eye and just cutting it in half here. Whoop. That looks better. Still kind of looks a little bit odd, but it looks better. All right, let's try this little piece. Oh, there we go, the finished product of Bluey. Okay, time for bingo. 2 different types of orange, yellow, black, and white. Let's go. Here's Bingo's pieces in the bag. Isn't she adorable? Okay, starting off with the darkest orange here for the base. Get that nice and flat and take the cutter and there you go. All right, we're gonna take this out. Use the light orange and we're gonna get that one nice and flat. Okay, now we're doing the light orange for the bottom of her face. There we go, just cut this out. It's a really thin piece. I'm using a little tool so I don't break it. And this just goes at the bottom. Okay, now let's get to work on more of Bingo. That's her ears with her little eyebrows. Get these out. Pick them out. Oopsies. I'll fix that. There, almost as good as new. I think that one goes there. And then, oh wait, did I have it backwards? Okay, let's get her ears on, or the inside of her ears. That looks about right, right? Okay, next we're gonna use the yellow. That's going to be her nose area and the inside of the, no, not the inside of the ears, her eyebrows. All right, get that nice and flat. Let's see, that it was a weird line there. I'm going to make it flat again. Almost ready. All right, that looks good. Yes, let's use this cutter. And put that right on Bingo. Oop, it's starting to look like Bingo. Trying to make her smile a little bit more defined. All right, we're gonna use some more yellow. Do you know what that's for? The eyebrows. I love their eyebrows, don't you? There we go, one there, and the next one, yay! Now we're gonna use the white. I bet you can guess what the white's for. That's right, Bingo's eyes. 1 and 2. There we go. There we go. Wow, it's starting to get so cute. And the other eye. Wow, guys, Bingo is almost done. She is so cute. Now we're taking the black. I'm using the wrong size cutters here. Oh no, silly me. All right, I'm going to redo that. Oh no, my video cut out, but here's the final bingo. And there's Bluey and Bingo as Play-Doh modes. Oh wow, these are so much fun. I want to keep them forever. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.